Okay, and the last thing in our list, I think we have comprehensive in vivo secondary structure of SARS-CoV-2 genome reveals novel regulatory motifs and mechanisms.
Yeah, this is so the SARS-CoV-2 has this genome that's made of RNA, and when it goes and it's all tangled up in like kind of a
Mhm.
weird. It's got this secondary structure, so all the RNA is kind of knotted and it's in a weird shape. And this one kind of tries to map out that weird shape and figure out whether it has like any regulatory mechanisms. Like, does the shape of it affect what genes are being transcribed, or and what aren't
Totally.
being transcribed, and also potentially like how can we obviously at the end of every single paper like this they go, well, is there a drug target, is there a drug target,
Yeah.
can we, even if there
Yeah,
isn't, this like, oh yeah, there could be, there's this chemical that we
there
can use
could
in, yeah, there could be. But
I mean, this is also dovetails right with the NSP1 story, right? Because
mm,
I'm pretty sure in that thing it was like it's a specific structure that they found that allows the SARS-CoV-2 RNAs to not be affected by the global shutdown
yeah,
that's enacted by NSP1. So right, like this is there, everything's linked. Biology is just like a real complicated linked mess of things. You'll always touch other topics as we talk about them, but like this is a great overview of those structures, because also some of those structures could have like enzymatic function, even like
yeah,
there's some crazy stuff RNA can do. It'd be interesting to see what they're doing.
yeah. So I mean, I picked this because it was just like something that I'd never thought about. I mean, you so
I mean, I don't know how one would approach doing a screen, like just like, I mean, naively, like I'm sure if I spent maybe like an hour or two thinking about it, like I don't know how you would approach finding these structures.
yeah, that's in, so there's a
Like
lot of,
it's like biased way where they like, I mean, they call it shape map, it sounds like, but what exactly is shape map?
yeah, I mean it's that's interesting. It's curious. It's like something that I certainly wasn't taught when I was doing my microbiology degree. Something I never encountered when I was doing my PhD. So it's like kind
Exactly.
of an opportunity to learn a new thing, which is both
A new tech, a
yeah,
new crazy technique on how to untangle some of these functions. Yeah, and take a lens to biology, which I mean, that's why we love reading papers, right?
yeah.
Just like that lens on biology.